high-precision automatic gravimetric blender, and centralized feeding system. The materials room management system comprises gravimetric blender, vertical blender, air pump station, pulsation dust collector, storage tent, and so on. The system utilizes intelligent centralized automatic control, enabling continuous 24-hour material supply operations. The materials room is equipped with a high-precision automatic gravimetric blending system that employs advanced control algorithms. It can automatically mix and blend according to different formulas with precise ratios. The entire system utilizes vacuum air provided by the air pump station to transport the pre-measured plastic raw materials into each injection molding machine. The central feeding system adopts a on-a-material, one-tube design equipped with automatic material distribution valves for conveying materials automatically. Alongside this, there's a volumetric doser for automatic addition of master batch pellets. The material transport operates smoothly and consistently without any instances of blockages. The central feeding system enhances production capacity, lowers labor costs, and enables intelligent, automated production management in the injection molding workshop.